Currently getting some petrol. I don't know if the prices are good or bad.
They're really good.
Crossed the bridge. Thought we were going to have to start showing car documents, but everything was okay. We're going to the, I can't pronounce it, how do you pronounce
Transylvanian Pass.
Transylvanian Pass. We are currently winging it because our sat-nav is still not working. I've managed to find it on Google Maps, but I don't know if it's going to be taken as the same route that Marco will be taking us. But it's all part of the adventure!
We have a new family member.
What's his name?
Fido.
Bulgaria.
We are now in the hotel in Romania. Walked in to find this site.
It's Bob's house.
It is Bob's house. Fortunately, there is another room. Gave Mark a wee heart attack because he was with us when we did it, but we've got a nice room in here. It's very nice. Going for dinner soon. Went down the Transvagarden. My God, that was the biggest traffic jam I've ever seen. It was
Shame.
It was a shame, yeah, definitely. The fact that there was all that traffic. It's a public holiday over here, so it was very busy. People were camping, setting up tents and everything. But there was a traffic jam all the way up the road, which was nuts. Wasn't expecting that, so I did kind of put a wee bit of a damper on it. But it was still a fun drive. We managed to both have a shot on the road as well. And now we're going to have some food, charge all the stuff, and generally just have a good old fashioned fun time. but we did get a lot of culture today. It was actually, and there was a proper scary moment at the train tracks when we weren't sure if the siren was always supposed to be going or if it wasn't supposed to be going, and yeah, just waiting we couldn't really see over either end. It was just, yeah, that was scary. I didn't like that. But other than that, it's been a good day. Really enjoyed it. Looking forward to seeing what's in store tomorrow.